Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I am going to be showing you fidget spinners. Well, I'm just showing you the ones that I have. I only have two, but I'm getting a red one. So I've got a black one, and he has a black one as well. Yeah, same one. And I have this one. But green, yeah. And you can take the inside off. There we go. Teeth are best at opening everything. And then you see that in there? That's how it spins. That's how it spins. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what they were like. I recommend you would get one because they're like really fun and just entertaining really. And you can do tricks, put it on your nose, but I'm not really that good. Put it on your phone. And yeah, this was just a quick little blog or whatever. Just yeah. So hope you like this video. Oh wait. I want to try something. Right guys, that was this video and see you next time. Bye.